Going to continue the conversation now, talk about the RICO accusations against this company, Shein. Let's bring in David Weinstein, who has more than 40 years of legal experience under his belt. David, great to see you. First off, explain what RICO is for people who maybe aren't as familiar with what this means.
Well, it's the Racketeering and Organized Crime Corruption Act. And we all think of it, as you said, when you're dealing with organized crime, with mobsters, with drug traffickers, money launderers. It's an act that was put on the books to give more power to the government to go criminally, in most cases, against individuals who were profiting from illegal activity.
All right, go ahead, David.
It also applies in this instance in civil actions. And it gives teeth to these lawsuits for one reason. It triples the damages that somebody can get when they're successful in a civil RICO action. And that's what it's being used for here.
All right. So, David, you mentioned the fact that this tends to be at least associated with organized crime, correctly? So let's take a look at some of the organizations that have been prosecuted under the RICO Act. We're talking about the Hells Angels, the Latin Kings, the Gambino crime family. Certainly not that we expect, Shein, a fast fashion company. Does RICO still work in Shein's case?
Well, it does, Nicole, because in 1996, they amended the RICO statute to include criminal infringement of copyright and trademark. That's one of what we call the predicate acts. You have to commit an underlying act, show a pattern of racketeering activity, be an enterprise that's engaged in this conduct, and it doesn't necessarily apply to only criminal organizations. Now, that's not to say that there may not be something else going on here, but in this action that we're talking about today, it's a civil RICO. And the reason they're using this act is to go after the profits that this company has made and to really hit them in the pocketbook so that they understand that they need to stop infringing on other people's copyrights.
All right, so I want to take a look at how this all works. And we just saw it laid out in a graphic there. You have the designers, and then they are stealing the designs and they are selling it to the shell companies. And then the shell companies are then basically over all of it is Shein. So we see Shein is at the top of this pyramid, and then the shell companies and the designers, it all, spreads out below them. So David, I guess a question here, what is better? Is it better to go after, the entities on the bottom of that pyramid, or is it better to go after, you want to knock off the top dog there?
You want to knock off the people on the top. You're going to handle this the same way you'd handle a criminal prosecution. You go to the people at the top of the food chain because that's the enterprise and that's their racketeering organization. And what you've just laid out in those graphics is showing how this is an enterprise. And then the racketeering activity they're engaged in is the theft and unauthorized use of these copyrights and trademarks. And they're doing it for their benefit, and they're doing it intentionally and willfully. They know that these people own these copyrights and trademarks. And so that's part of the activity. And again, you go after it like you would any criminal organization. In this case, it's a civil lawsuit, but you go after the people at the top. You don't go at the bottom and then get yourself to the top. You start at the top and you work your way down.
Just really quickly, David, like in crime families, and you'll see one organization knocked out, another one will just come and take its place. Will the same thing happen, when it comes to fast fashion? I mean, maybe Shein will be taken down, but that doesn't mean there won't be another one that comes right behind it.
No, you're absolutely right about that. Somebody else sees exactly what Shein has been doing. They then pattern their own company after that. And while everybody's busy taking down Shein, they've cropped up, they're making money, they're doing the same thing. And then until one of these people who are the rightful owners of the designs and the copyrights go after somebody, they're going to just keep doing it. They'll replace Shein with somebody else.
The fight against crime never ends. All right, David Weinstein, we certainly appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.